Hey, what's up guys? Kriscoolmod. This is a new video. This is a new product. This is the new RetroBeast for Steam Deck 1 terabyte. I have my cam here so you can see I have my Steam Deck, but it's plugged through HDMI. You can display your Steam Deck through your actual TV via, I can show you, via Type-C adapter. You can find it on Amazon. You just plug your HDMI and it should go through the HDMI. If you don't, you can go to setting and say send the video to the HDMI and sound also. Yeah, this is the new Steam Deck. This is a 1 terabyte Supreme high quality 1 terabyte SD card. Full load. That's the most complete setup you can find on the market for your Steam Deck. Everything works. I test everything. I'm gonna show you all the wheel, and I'm gonna also show you the all the options you can have, because the RetroBeast on Steam Deck is based on Batocera, and Batocera is wonderful. You can save, load, add to favorite, change your theme, change your color, create your own collection. There is so many options. But what is wonderful with this system is you don't need to touch all those settings. You plug your 1 terabyte, you boot to the SD card, and you're ready to play. You choose your game, and that's it. You just need to know a few basics if you want to save your game and quit the game. But yeah, it's very, very amazing. There is 109 master system plus around 50 and more collection you can add as you like. There is also more than 20 theme. There is a ton of background music. You can shut down the music, you can change the theme if you press on the start button. Talking about button, the layout button work as a Xbox controller. So exactly, you have the two joysticks, your D-pad, the same button as the Xbox. The other button, they're not map. You can map them. The under button you can map on the system if you like. I can show you. But yeah, I will show you all the options. So this is the MAME when you're gonna boot it. Now it's set to, the main menu is set to manufacturer. So all the Sega or Nintendo and Sony are merged together. If you stop on a wheel, you will have the information, the amount of game at the right button. Also all the option on the main menu is rated on the left of your screen down. So you have the search, the random game, the menu. You can access the file system with F1 with a keyboard. So this is all the wheel. So I'm gonna show you all the wheel, and after we're gonna play a few system and show you how to save, quit, load. Oh, it's really, really amazing. I will come back in all the wheel and boot some system. So this is a 1 terabyte full load games system. I may do some extension pack like a SanDisk, like this one, like a SanDisk Type-C, or maybe 1 terabyte or 2 terabyte drive. I will try to have more like a SSD or something lightweight that doesn't take a lot of power. So this option is very nice. It's just more expensive, but this one is like a SD card but external. I want to do some pack like a PS3 and Switch game. So if you want to play a ton of Switch or a ton of PS3 or PS2, I may do some pack if there is some request from buyer that want, let's say a full ROM, not a full ROM set, but a big amount, extra amount of game on another external drive. I may do it. Okay, let's change the theme just for fun. So if you click on the start, you will have this pop-up, user interface, and theme set. See, there is a ton of theme. One of my other favorite is Arcade Planet. You just click on it, go back, and that's it. So we continue where we were. This is all the system. Yeah, there is good and great theme. Oh, you may find one that you really like, but my best is the one you saw. This one, Planet. The other one was named Book. Oh, you can see the amount of game at the bottom also. All the Sega. So I didn't miss any system. All the classic system are there. PlayStation, Saturn, Sega Model 3, all the arcade, Dreamcast, of course. All the system you expect to be on the system is there. Switch, PS3. Most of them, they have bezel. Some are full screen, like Switch is full screen, PS3 is full screen. You can save and load any game on the system. It's really cool. I'm gonna show you all the goodies. It's amazing. At start, I did have a 40 computer system that was not great on the Steam Deck, I found. So I removed them because the control was really tough to set on some old computer. They were working, but the control was kind of a mess, so I removed them. I have a few Amiga and stuff like that. The classic computer are still there. Okay, so now let's play a few games, and I'm gonna show you. Okay, I'm gonna show you a few tricks. Okay, if you press on the select, you have a user manual if you don't know all the shortcut, and you have all the shortcut option you have on the main menu. All right. After, you have a reminder of the shortcut if you are in a game selection wheel. Okay, how to boot from a save or add to favorite, stuff like that. And in-game option: save, load, quit, reset, auto translate, add credit, and stuff like that. Rewind, change the save slot. So all the shortcuts are explained. Okay. Because it's based on Batocera and it's really complex. Let's boot the MAME. Okay, so this team has no logo, but they all have the cartridge and video. See, it was a gun next to the game. You have all the information. It's a gun game, it's a 1 or 2 player. So your joystick's gonna be your gun. Come on. Okay, so it works. If you want to quit oh, let's say you want to save. Your hotkey is always the select. This button, the select one, that's the hotkey. So when you press the hotkey, you have other option. If you press X, it's gonna save. See, it says save state to slot 2. Okay, let's play a little bit. I'm gonna load. Reload. Whoa. Reload. Okay, let's load. And to quit, you press the select and start together. That's your quit game. Okay, let's say you want to play the game Area 51 again from your save. You have other option on the game. You press A, but then 1 second. See? You have other option. Save state. See, I have my save there. If you click on it, it will boot exactly where you left from, and you can have multiple save. Also, if you press A on a game, you can add to favorite. So favorite, the way it goes, the favorite game goes on top of the list. Alright? And if you want to change that, you press start. There is so many options. Game collection. You can sort the system by alphabetic, manufacturer, release year, a group system. You can create a collection. You can there is already group collection, not this one, the automatic collection. It will scan every game. Let's say you choose beat them up or fight. You can add fight if you like fight. You go back, and there is the fight. All the fight game from all system. Okay. Oh, there is so much. Okay, you're gonna when you receive your 1 terabyte, just play around with all the setting. It's amazing. The only setting I suggest to not touch is the system setting. If you go to advanced and security, don't touch that, okay? If you don't know the setting, don't touch it. Usually in system you don't change it. The only thing you may need is your Wi-Fi. You connect your Wi-Fi, and mostly game collection you can play with this. You can change the layout of your game, user interface to change your theme. Okay, let's boot other game. Jaguar. And I set it so all game on all system they have the unique bezel from Bezel Project. Really cool. Okay, let's quit. Also, when you are in a wheel, you can use your R1 and L1. You can jump. Sorry, the D-pad. You can change system right away without going back to main menu. Go back. You can jump system to system. There is so many features. It's amazing. It's flexible. See, Amiga. I have a few computer, a few Amiga. They work very well. See, now you can use, if you want, you can use your left joystick because it's a computer game. He asks you if you want to enable damage or disable and throw stuff like that. But usually you don't have to do this. You can press start. Some emulator menu and setting can be accessed from the game when you launch the game. Like this one, I think it's got a keyboard. So let's quit. So there is, yes, a few computer. This is all the computer. FM Town.
Don't try.
And I test every system. Every system works. All the MSX. Xbox, I think you want to see it. Upscale the graphic for 2 times, so it looks crisp and clear.
Sorry for the quick thaw, Master Chief. Things are a little hectic right now. The disorientation should pass quickly.
Welcome back, sir. We'll have you battle ready stat.
So this is the Xbox. Oh, if you take any screenshot of your game, it will goes right there. You have a screenshot. Whoops, sorry. A screenshot. You can add your own music. By the way, I download everything that's available. If you go to update and download, all the content is downloaded. You don't need to do this. All the theme are installed. This is all the theme. You have a screenshot what it looks like. Some theme you may miss some logo because the Steam Deck version I did has some extra system that it's not officially released on Batocera, but it works. So some team may miss some logo on official team. And you don't update your system yet until I'm telling you. It will be good to update it. The only problem if you update the by setup, now it's on the version 36. Let's say there is a release version 37 of Batocera, and you click update. Everything is gonna work, but you will miss around 10 system like SC3000. What's the name? Anyway, you will miss 5 or 6 system. Okay. So when you buy my system, you will join my Discord. I will have a wiki, and I will say, okay, go and update it, and I will provide any fix. If there is a gain to fix or something to fix or change, I will provide the fix. It's very easy to access your SD card and change the setting I will provide. Okay? Ah, TurboGrafx, it will disappear. Okay? Let's boot a TurboGrafx. So you don't need to update anything or connect to the internet officially because everything was downloaded and you don't update until I'm telling you. Everything is plug and play actually. It's just there is so many feature. Oh, my mouse is plugged, that's why. There is so many goodies and feature you can change. It's amazing. If you want. The layout, the collection. Okay, so this is TurboGrafx CD. Yes, yeah. See, like the Nintendo is complete. And I was amazed. Every emulator I launch, they all run great. There is no lag, no slow down. Everything runs flawless. See, my favorite game is on top. But there is an option in setting. You can hide your favorite going to at the first place. But you can add. It's fun to have all your favorite. When you boot the wheel, you have your favorite game at start. So that's nice. All right.
Confident defending.
Nintendo 64. And a Wii, PS3, and Xbox and Switch, they run great. Wii, I did add only the one that are playable with the Steam Deck button, because it's complicated to duplicate the input from a Wiimote. So there is a limited amount of Wii game because of you do not have a real Wiimote, and it's very hard to. So all the games that work with a pad, D-pad and button like a Xbox are included on the Wii. Oh, GameCube. I'm gonna show you some tricks. So if you watch my video and you need information about how to access emulator and shortcut and stuff like that, watch my video until the end. I will show a bunch of tricks. Everything I know, I'm gonna share with you. The sound is great. The image is great. Everything is boost to max. Whoop! I missed the boost. Whoa! Give me the cube. Alright, see, you run really well. Maybe some advance or DS. Oh no, let's show advance. Whatever the game. Okay, let's say you want to access the emulator, because most of the emulator works on RetroArch, but there is some exception. Okay, so you press your hotkey, you press A, you access RetroArch. After, you can save and load from RetroArch if you like. There is a bunch of options, but I want to show you if you want to access the cheat code. Let's say there is you can search some cheat code from system and specific game. You can apply cheat code. They are on the RetroArch menu. If you know how RetroArch works, you know how to access this. So you can, like the regular RetroArch, you can access video, audio, the input if you want to change some button layout and stuff like that. Okay, but before changing everything in RetroArch, what you can do if it's about controller, it's very easy. You press on the main menu, you press start, controller, and controller mapping. Let's say you don't like like Nintendo, you have to press the B for A and stuff like that. You want to switch back. Just click on controller mapping and remap your button as you like. Switch your B and A as you like from the master setting before changing everything from the emulator and stuff like that. Before I forget, if you want to access the emulator, you need to plug a keyboard. like for my example, I have a keyboard plug on the hub, USB Type-C. You need a keyboard to access the file manager. You press F1. I'm going to show you my keyboard. You press F1 on any keyboard plugged to the Steam Deck. You need a mouse. Yeah, you need a mouse. And my video is on top. Wait a second. Okay. Okay, see, when you press F1, this is the file manager of Batocera RetroBeast. There is application. You click on the folder and you can boot. Let's say you want to change the mapping button, or I don't know. You want to change some stuff, but you need to know what you do. You need to do some research before just playing around, because you can screw up everything. Okay. But let's say Dolphin. You click on Dolphin. It's for the GameCube and Wii, and you have the emulator option. This is where you can change the emulator option. Okay. Only RetroArch can be accessed from the game directly. When you play a game, you press the hotkey and start and A, and you can access RetroArch. But you can boot RetroArch from here if you want. See? All right. And to quit this files manager, press on files and close. And you're gonna come back to the regular. So, okay, let's continue the showcase. Nintendo DS, Wii, Mario Wii, Super Smash, whatever. Yeah, I will never provide a full collection of the Wii, because the controller is very hard. Because you need sometimes the motion, you have to twist, you need to twist your Wiimote, and it's really hard to pair on a Xbox controller. Oh, no. Continue. I don't have the oh, whatever. I cannot skip the intro, I guess. Yeah, skip. So this is the Wii system. That's freaking cool. A Steam Deck that you can play every single best system in the world. Everywhere, anywhere. Alright, so let's quit. See, I saved the game. You can save before quitting. Hotkey, X. And let's quit. Now if I want to jump exactly there, press long press A. Where is it? Oh, you need to boot the game, this one. It doesn't have the... Okay, I didn't know. It did save the game, but you need to boot the game and press hotkey and load. And it will boot exactly. It doesn't have the... this system doesn't have the save function on the main wheel. Sorry. Wii U. But all the other systems, they have the save load from the main menu. You can actually select your save before booting the game. I didn't know See, let's try a load. If I did, no. I know some system. Wii U, PS3, a big system. Switch, PS3, and Wii U doesn't have the save load from the system, but it does have the save load in game, the regular save load. Okay. Look at that. It's amazing. Okay, let's quit. Switch. Yeah, because there is button underneath the Steam Deck. So if you want to use them, you need to remap the button. But like I said, I explained a lot of option you have, but it's really plug and play, you know. You don't have to change the button. You don't have to. The only thing you need to know, it's how to boot the SD card. So it's very easy. When you receive your SD card, you power off your Steam Deck, of course. You insert your SD card right there. Okay. After you press volume up, there is volume down and up. You keep your finger on volume up, and you just click on the power, boom. You release your finger, you wait, you will have a boot manager, you select the SD card, and let the magic happen. After that, you just need to know how to save and load. Save and load is the hotkey, plus X, it's save in game. Hotkey and Y, it's load. And to quit a game is select and start together. Easy like that. And you can only shut down the RetroBeast Batocera. You cannot restart when you press. It doesn't restart to Batocera RetroBeast. It will, if you restart, it will restart to the SteamOS. And by the way, it doesn't touch your SteamOS. This setup doesn't touch your SteamOS at all. It doesn't change any single files. It's separated. What the? Look at that. I'm confused about the... Ah! Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Okay, let's quit the game. So this is the Switch. 3DO. Let's boot a 3DO for fun. There is so many systems. 110 system plus all the sub collection. Oops, sorry, the camera rush. They all have the unique bezel per game. Very amazing. So in game, now you can save, load. See, I can load, and quit. Simple as that. That's the only basic stuff you need to know. After, if you want to change the theme, the theme is in the user interface, and you can change your theme. What is Kodi is not set. Kodi will boot, but it's not set. If you want to use Kodi, you need to search Google to set your Kodi, but it's not useful. After game setting, For any change, you can press game update game list. If you did delete whatever, a game or something, whatever, it will rescan all the game in 2 seconds. Video mode, it's auto. Everything is auto. You can choose auto save and load. It will auto save and load your game automatically when you quit. Load latest save state on game launch and save state when existing a game. If you want it, it will save all the time and load your latest save. That's a useful feature. After, there is per system advanced configuration. So here you can change, let's say Atari 2000, you can change the video. I don't suggest to change anything, just if you know and you did some research from the Batocera wiki and you know what to do, but I suggest do not change anything. It just, why fixing something that works, okay? It just is something doesn't work, but anyway, I will provide all the fix at the Discord, so don't worry about that. So this is where you can change every emulator. Retro achievement if you want to use it. It's your score online and compare with other people. Netplay to play with other people. All the BIOS are there. Controller, you have a bunch of settings. You can pair a Bluetooth. You can change C player 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can change. So let's say you have two Xbox connected plus the Steam Deck. So you can choose here, okay, I want my Xbox One to be number 1, my Xbox 2 to be player 2, or your Steam Deck number 2. Okay? So a bunch of stuff useful on the controller. User interface is for your team. After you have the team you choose, you have the team configuration. Okay? Usually everything is automatic and stuff like that. But there is a few settings you can remove information or the layout and stuff like that. So this option is per team, not for all the team. It's only for the team, the team you choose. The screensaver behavior. So after 5 minutes it's gonna dim or it's gonna play a random video. You can stop the music. You can lower the sound, the video duration, about your screensaver, the list transition. You can remove the clock, show battery, you can remove it. Talking about battery, if you click on the Steam logo, you will see your battery. So I'm at 94% right now, and the volume, you can use the right joysticks on the main menu to lower the sound, or you can use the Steam Deck volume, no problem. So user interface, a bunch of useful options. Game controller, I did talk about. Game collection. Okay, let's say automatic game collection. You can remove 2-player and 4-player if you like. You can, and after per genre, so you can add adventure. Let's say you like driving. You like platform, shoot them up, and sport. You go back and it will create all those collections for you. All right. Game collection. You can create your own collection also. A little bit complicated, but you can do it. And after you can choose the way you see the main menu. Alphabetic. I can change to alphabetic. And go back to I like manufacturer, because manufacturer, when you're on the main wheel, if you go back B, you can jump to, let's say you want to play. Oh, I didn't show you PS3. Let's go to Sony. And you can show. I didn't show you PS2 and PS3. My bad. Those systems are popular. I imagine in 2023 you can play PS2 and PS3 on a handheld portable PC. Look the graphic, amazing. No stutter, no latency, high quality graphic. Run flawless. Alright, so quit. I can save and quit. Alright. PS3. Yeah, PS3 depend on the game. It take a little bit long time to load because every time you boot a game the first time, you need to cache some information for the next boot to be faster. So I will boot a game that I already boot. I don't remember which one I do. Which one I boot? Oh, maybe this one, yeah. Also, you can have a collection, your last play game. So all the game you did play during the day will appear on a wheel. So technically, all your best game automatically will go on your last play collection. See, it was not so long, but the first time I did boot this game, took about a minute, 2 minutes to shader cache everything. So don't panic. Switch is the same. First time you boot a game, it's very long, and after the second boot, it's very fast. So don't panic. So this is the PS3. Old, okay. Ah, okay, old to go up. I never played this game. I just booted, but what the? Anyway, it's beautiful. It's running, no problem. Which one I didn't show you? So see if you want add your last play, you go to game collection, automatic, see last play. So it's useful. Yeah, it's useful because where's the last play? So you will find out the latest game you boot, right? Light gun is not. It's light gun, but it's to play with the Steam Deck, not the real light gun. Doesn't make sense. It's possible to hook a light gun, but I don't think it makes sense to hook a light gun on the Steam Deck. Better you use the RetroBeast on the PC. Okay, let's check if I missed some system. User interface, let's change the theme. I didn't show you all the theme, but it's a surprise when you're gonna buy my system, but there is a ton of beautiful system. Okay, did I forget a major system to show you? Maybe SCOM? It's very fast. Every game boot very fast. Every emulator system boot fast and quit fast. The system is a kind of a great system for that. For emulation, the Steam Deck it's amazing. Oh, I cannot skip. Yeah, I can skip it. Yeah, so I will any fix, any update, any improvement, I will provide on my Discord on the wiki, and I will explain how to download the fix or update and add it to your SD card or future external drive. I don't know how to play this game. Anyway, okay, quit. Oh, see, there is. It was an option menu. Anyway. Vectrex, I love it. MS6, Xbox, I show you. Oh, Game & Watch. I don't know. That's cool. That's all. That's really cool. Game Boy. Let's show you a Game Boy. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you something. You can change the color of the screen. See, now it's kind of green, yellowish. If you press, yeah, this one. Every emulator they have some goodies shortcut from RetroArch. So this one has the R1 to change the color palette. Some are very ugly. And L1 to go back to your green. I know some computer emulator, if you press L1 or R2 or some button, just try a few buttons and sometimes you can make a keyboard appear on top or an option menu. Yeah. Game Boy Advance, did I show you? Yeah, I show you. Wii I did. 3DS I didn't boot it. Let's try Luigi. I didn't know Luigi was on 3DS. Are you for real? Forget the screen ratio. It's because I'm on the HDMI. The emulator is set for anyway, this emulator is set to play on the screen Steam Deck ratio, but now it doesn't understand because I'm render the screen on my 4K LG TV, and the ratio is not the same, so it freak out. But trust me, it works. Yeah, it did freak out. I saw he tried to output the the games and he freaked out. Oh yeah, he did freak out. Don't worry, it works perfectly on the Steam Deck when you play on the screen. I can show you if I unplug my HDMI. Come on. Oh, he really didn't like it. Oh my god. Come on. Okay. Sorry. I can show you. If I unplug my HDMI, he will boot. Oh, Atomic Wave and Naomi. I need to show you that. Where's the? I passed the Naomi. Naomi is very cool and Atomic Wave. So coin, select, start. I'm lucky because all the emulators are set to work on the Steam Deck ratio. But when you change to a TV, it should work, but like 3DS, he really didn't like it. Okay, let's quit. Let's show you Naomi. I forget. Where's Naomi? Oh, there is Naomi. Naomi 2. Naomi. Yeah, there is good arcade. So pretty simple, very straightforward. If you buy my SD card, I will provide a wiki how to boot the first time, and I will provide the shortcut and stuff like that. But it's a no-brainer. I know I show you a lot of options. You don't need to know all those options. Basically, how to change the theme, and how to save, load your game, and quit, and that's it. You don't need to know basically more than that. It's a ready to go 1 terabyte.
This is gonna be a match to remember. Fight.
Come on, you. No way. See, I jumped all the. Come on! Okay, forget it. Damn, she was crazy. So that was Naomi. Sega Drive. I didn't show you too much Sega. It's possible the bezel you see right now is not the same as the when you play on Steam Deck. It's really about the HDMI I plug. It changed the. It's overwriting some setting, but anyway, doesn't matter. Afterburner, a classic. I think Afterburner is on every single system. It's amazing. Neo Geo CD. Oh, Solarius Special Zelda. Homemade. PlayStation I didn't boot. This one. So what else I didn't talk about? Yeah, if you're interested, ask me. It's not ready yet. The SD card is ready, but I may build some. If you like Switch game, I may do an external drive that you plug, and you need to change the hard drive to switch to the external drive. I can show you.
A universal interactive.
Okay, let's say I'm gonna sell a 1 or 2 terabyte full of Switch game. Let's say because people they want it. So what you gonna do? Let's say okay, let's say this is the 1 terabyte full of Switch. You will plug it to your Steam Deck. Okay. It's gonna be very easy. You press on the main menu, you press start. You go to system setting. You go down to storage. See? It says internal storage device. Now you're running internal, mean all the game are in the 1 terabyte. Let's say you want to play my optional external 1 terabyte, 1 or 2 terabyte. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but let's say a 1 terabyte external full of Switch. You click on this, and you click the drive. Is gonna be named Switch 1 terabyte. You reboot. You shut down the Steam Deck. You go back to your RetroBeast Batocera, and it will switch to the Switch game or PS3. I cannot merge the external drive with the internal drive together. It's one or another. So let's say I'm doing a PS3 drive, you know, 1 terabyte full of PS3, another drive full of Switch, another drive full of PS2. You just need to switch back to those PS2, PS3 and Switch. I have no choice. But if you don't buy any extra drive, you don't need to do this. It's gonna be always internally. Okay, I think I talked enough about all the system. Final burn. I'll show you a lot of games. And say I'm recording, I'm outputting the video on my TV and sound. And the Steam Deck, the system has no problem. No lag or bug or stuff like that. I worked on this for a few months and now it's ready for you guys. I really like it, seriously. Oh, that's it. That's gonna be the end of the video. If you need more information, I may do another video for to explain very in detail everything. But like I said, you don't need. It's a no-brainer. If you understand how to save a game, how to boot a game, how to load a game, how to quit, and maybe change the theme, that's it. You just scroll the wheel, it's a no-brainer. Your kids can play with it, you know? Just scroll down, and let's say you have kids and they really like the Super Mario like this one. You long press on it. Yeah, save state. This is, see, remove from favorite, and now add to favorite. So if you have kids, because there is a big amount of wheel, you go at the when they're gonna boot the system, you go to come on. I'm looking for the favorite. Okay, here, all game favorite. So you can remove the game you don't like, but see, where's the Super Mario? Right there. Favorite. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you have any question, text me at Kriscoolmod or ask for a Discord invite. When you are invited to Discord, you're gonna be if you're not if you don't have a role as a guest, text me and I will give you the guest role, so you will see all the feedback. You can access the chat if you want to ask questions to other buyer or people. And as soon as you will buy anything from me, I will unlock every wiki, everything on the Discord. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. It was a really fun, and I'm very proud of the Steam Deck. Everything works flawless. Thank you, peace, see you. And it's available at Kriscoolmod.com. RetroBeast for Steam Deck, 1 terabyte. Ciao.